We are going to make a dry ice fog machine for less than $30. Start out with a computer fan. I bought this one on Amazon for $14.99. A 5-gallon bucket. Just trace the fan onto the top. Cut it out with a normal razor blade. Drill out the holes for the screws and mount it to the top of the bucket. With your 5-gallon bucket, just some spare PVC pipe fittings. Drill a hole through about the top third of the bucket and glue the pieces together. Use a sleeveless coupling on both sides and mount it in. We did do some caulking on it. On hindsight, that's probably overkill. Doesn't really matter. Once done, do a vent test. Just plug in the fan and make sure it blows through the bucket and out. Warm up some water just prior to the boiling point. And once it gets there, dump it into your bucket and add about 5 pounds of dry ice.
Watch out, here goes.
Once in, put the lid on and turn the fan on, and you'll have about 20 minutes of continuous fog, just with 5 pounds of dry ice and about a gallon of hot water. Actually pretty fun. Good luck. Have fun.
All of it's going into the AC.